Before we start our NumPy course, let me tell you about our machine learning series. The course that you are starting right now is one of the 2 foundational courses in this series that will help you to develop 2 of the basic foundational skills to be successful in the field of machine learning. At the moment of this recording, this series has 3 courses. The 2 foundational ones and the proper first course of this series about linear models. In the course that you are starting right now, we are going to do a deep dive into the NumPy library. NumPy is a library that allows us to work with large arrays of data, like for example vectors or matrices, which is a very important skill in the fields of data science and machine learning. As you know, these fields involve the use of large volumes of data, and having the skill of easily manipulating and operating on these arrays of data will simplify the process of learning these skills very much. On the other hand, the other foundational course in our series, called Data Visualization in Python, will teach you another basic skill: being able to visualize your data in order to extract important information from it. In it, we are going to explore the 4 most popular libraries for data visualization in Python, called Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly, and Dash. At the end of this course, you'll feel comfortable creating complex visualizations that summarize your data in a straightforward way. Once you feel comfortable with these skills, you can move on to the first course in our machine learning and data science series, in which we'll do a deep dive into linear models. Linear models are some of the most popular algorithms in the fields of data science and machine learning, and with them we'll be able to extract the most important patterns from our data and use them to solve predictive modeling tasks. In this course, we are going to work with some of the most common libraries for machine learning in Python, such as Scikit-Learn, Pandas, and Statsmodels. I left links to the other courses in this series in the next lesson. But now, let's begin our course.